The year is 1955. Rock and roll is sweeping the nation. A young Elvis Presley is topping the charts. Amidst this vibrant backdrop, a Pan American aircraft prepares for a routine flight. Flight 914, bound for Miami from New York, carries 57 passengers. As Flight 914 soars into the sky, it vanishes. The plane disappears from radar screens. Search parties find no trace of the missing aircraft. The fate of Flight 914 remains a haunting question mark. July 2nd, 1955, dawned like any other summer day in New York City. At Idlewild Airport, now known as JFK, Flight 914 was being prepared for its journey south. The passengers boarded, a mix of businessmen, families and young couples. The crew went through their pre-flight checks with practiced efficiency. At 10:55 a.m., Flight 914 received clearance for takeoff. It lifted off into the clear blue sky, its departure seemingly routine. Air traffic control maintained contact for the first few hours, then silence. The blip representing Flight 914 vanished from radar screens. Frantic calls to the plane went unanswered. No distress signals were detected. Search and rescue operations were launched, but the vastness of the Atlantic Ocean swallowed any clues. Weeks of searching yielded nothing. The disappearance of Flight 914 became a cold case, a chilling reminder of the mysteries that lie hidden in the skies. Fast forward 37 years. The world is a vastly different place. The Cold War has ended. The internet is rapidly changing the way we live. In Caracas, Venezuela, air traffic controllers at Simon Bolivar International Airport are going about their daily routines when something unbelievable occurs. On May 21st, 1992, a strange aircraft appears on their radar. The plane is identified as a Pan American Douglas DC-4, a model that hasn't been in service for decades. After several tense minutes, a voice crackles over the radio. The pilot identifies himself as Captain Robert Loft, and his voice carries a note of confusion and disorientation. Section 4. Theories in time and space, unraveling the enigma. The reappearance of Flight 914 after 37 years sent shockwaves around the world. How could a plane vanish for nearly 4 decades and then reappear as if nothing had happened? Theories and speculations ran rampant. Some dismissed the story as an elaborate hoax, but the evidence suggested otherwise. One of the most popular theories involved time travel. Had Flight 914 somehow slipped through a wormhole, a theoretical tunnel connecting 2 different points in space-time? Could the plane have been trapped in a time warp, only to be spat back out into our present? The possibility, however improbable, captured the public imagination. Another theory proposed that Flight 914 had entered an alternate dimension. Perhaps there are parallel universes coexisting with our own, each with its own set of physical laws and timelines. Could Flight 914 have stumbled into one of these alternate realities, only to find its way back to our dimension after decades of being lost? Section 5. Whispers of conspiracies, secrets in the shadows. While theories of time travel and alternate dimensions sparked wonder and intrigue, others whispered of more sinister possibilities. Conspiracy theories arose, suggesting that governments might be involved in the mystery of Flight 914. Some speculated that the plane had been secretly intercepted and its passengers subjected to experiments or interrogations. Had Flight 914 become an unwilling pawn in a Cold War game of espionage? The lack of official information and the shroud of secrecy surrounding the event only fueled these suspicions. Others believed that the plane's disappearance and reappearance were part of a larger cover-up, perhaps related to advanced technologies or extraterrestrial contact. The truth, they claimed, was being concealed from the public. These theories, often based on speculation and conjecture, tapped into a deep-seated distrust of authority and a fascination with the unknown. Section 6. The unanswered questions, lingering mysteries of Flight 914. Despite the passage of time, the mystery of Flight 914 continues to fascinate and perplex. Numerous questions remain unanswered. What happened to the plane during those missing 37 years? Where did it go, and how did it reappear? Were the passengers and crew aware of the time that had passed, Or did they experience those decades as mere minutes? The condition of the plane itself raised further questions. It was remarkably well preserved for an aircraft that had supposedly been flying for almost 4 decades. The only evidence of its journey through time seemed to be a thick layer of dust and a calendar from 1955 found in the cockpit. Attempts to locate Captain Robert Loft and the passengers of Flight 914 after their arrival in Caracas proved fruitless. It was as if they had vanished once more, leaving behind a trail of unanswered questions and an enduring mystery that continues to capture the imagination. Section 7. Conclusion: a time capsule of intrigue. The tale of Flight 914 stands as a testament to the enduring power of mystery. It serves as a reminder that even in our age of advanced technology and scientific understanding, there are still phenomena that defy explanation. Whether the result of a time warp, an alternate dimension, or some other unexplained event, the story continues to spark debate and speculation. Flight 914 serves as a time capsule, carrying with it the anxieties and fascinations of a bygone era. It reminds us of the limits of our knowledge and the vastness of the unknown. While we may never know the true fate of Flight 914, its story continues to intrigue, inspiring us to ponder the mysteries that lie beyond our current understanding. It is a testament to the human desire to make sense of the inexplicable and to find meaning in the face of the extraordinary.